Hey everyone, so I have a 14 by 14 canvas and today we're going to be using an egg separator. This is day 2 of my 14 days of techniques and we are going to do a dirty pour through here with of course my trusty paper cup that'll be pinching. I did spray the cup already with the WD-40 silicone spray. It's just to release the paint from the cup so we don't have anything sticking what we might need during a pour. So I'm going to start with Lucas Permanent Violet. Follow that with Folk Art Blue Violet Flash. This is a color shift paint. And then the Golden Interference Violet. This will give me a gold hue. Lucas Indigo. It's a nice dark blue ink color. Artist Loft and Grumbacher mix. It is the Artist Loft Iridescent Medium mixed with Prussian Blue from Grumbacher. It's a beautiful color. The shimmer is absolutely gorgeous on that. And then we'll follow that with the Deco Art jar, the Sterling Silver. And I think we're going to go another round so we have enough to fill up this canvas. And I like to layer the cup. And of course, all these bottles do have silicone. If we don't use silicone, we say we're not going to use it. So, the base coat does not have silicone. My paint mixing videos are right below the screen here, right down there. Okay, so you can see it layered. And we're just going to pour through the egg separator. I think I'm going to turn it just a little bit so we have the big 3 petals. Get any skins out of that, but we'll see. So we have to wait for that paint to drop from there. I will help it along. I think when it rested on the canvas, it kind of plugged itself off. And that's what I'm doing, is just lifting it and letting it run. Okay. So we got a nice little center out of that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Alright, let me give it a quick torch. We'll get the air bubbles out. We will get cells, though, even without the air bubbles being there. So it will be very paint kissy looking, I guess. Let me just move that mirror. It's already painted. And we're going to begin to tilt. Because this is a square canvas, we will be a little off. We may take it off one edge and leave some negative space. I'm not sure until I start tilting. I always like to let the design speak to me. So I like to do just a circle to get it started. And then I'll bring this paint back to the middle. So when I'm stretching, I'm not going to get zigzags going on. Always keep your paint together. I'm going to go ahead and come off, but I'm going to cup it so I don't lose everything. Bring it back to that middle. Now I want to come to the other side of that. It's kind of neat the way that dripped out. And where that sterling silver and interference is, we're going to get some great reactions of color. So I have a lot of purple on that side. And I really love the design I'm getting here. So I'm going to go this way first. I'm going to try to catch that corner. And I always stop because I want to look to see if I want to leave it off center or not. Let me just bring it down a little bit. And then I'm going to take it back up because I want to pull these rings down and then stretch them out just a little bit more. And now I will rock because I want to keep all that paint in one particular flow so I don't lose that wispiness. Oh, that's really cool. I'll show you this. See the wispy? I don't want to lose that, so I'm going to keep it right here, and that's how I will view it, just like that. So if you're new, hurry up and subscribe. Don't want to miss any more of these videos. And if you click on that bell, you'll get notified when I upload the next one. Let's go ahead and torch. So now we have the iridescent Prussian blue in there. And we have the interference violet. And we have sterling silver, which is reacting. And that's, oops, that's what all this is. It's sticking to my hand. That's what all this is here. So watch when I torch that. We're going to get a lot of action coming through there. I did bump that smidge, but that's just a corner. We're okay. This is really cool. And I'm not minding all that purple there now that we have some movement around it, so it's not quite so bad. But I'm loving that. I think it's very cool. Let me wipe my edges. I'll give you another close-up. So, subscribe if you haven't. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. We have our group, The Parage Posse, and my Christina Welch Art page. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. Check out our Etsy shop for paintings. Saturday, April 6th is our auction at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We have a lot of paintings starting out at 20. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Right there. Just love. I'm so easily amused. There we go. It's hard to get it out of my glare. We're working on lighting. So all the links that you need are right below. The paint mixing videos are below. Also, our PayPal donation button is below. I'm watching this right here. You can donate to the channel, get in on our sponsor giveaways. We do them every quarter. We just did one April 1st, and we'll be doing our next one on July 1st. So you have plenty of time to donate. We use all the funds for canvas and paint and pads and stuff that we need for filming these videos. That is amazing. I just love that. I want to work on this a little bit. There we go. I'm loving this painting. This may be a keeper. I always change my mind though, because I'm like, can't keep them all. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.